Welcome, everyone. It's the Mike Tech Show, show number 967. Unfortunately, I recorded this show tonight and I recorded the audio but did not record the video. So I just wanted to kind of put a placeholder here in YouTube. I talk about Outlook indexing fix, some security news, lots of listener email, stories from the trenches that this week that were Outlook problems and DNS issues. So please enjoy the audio. The link is below in the notes, and there's also a link directly to the show notes. So enjoy, and hopefully I won't have this problem happen again. So I have to put a reminder in there to make sure I'm clicking the record video button. So thank you and enjoy the audio for show 967.